how this treadmill works. You know, with the motor. I'm gonna put this key back in there so that you can see how this motor works. Hey, start. Okay, now it's turning, and we hear some noise. I think it's coming from this guy here. This is very quiet. You see that lights were flashing and stuff. Some spider webs. But I can see something over here that's making that noise. So we're gonna try to clean this roller here. A little bit over this side, but not as much. Most of the noise came from here. We go to the back and see if there's any noise in the back. We hear some noise, not on this side, but more from this side. So we're going to take apart this one as well. We're going to check it out, clean this one as well. So basically, it's this corner that's making the noise, and that corner. So the front is the right-hand side that's making the noise. The back is the right-hand side that's making the noise. Say that again. So the front is the left-hand side that's making the noise. The back is the right-hand side that's making the noise when you face this treadmill. Okay, there you have it. You can see. Do you hear that little noise right here? It was even worse. Use my rag and go underneath here to try to clean what's under the belt, the tread belt. And that seemed to did the trick of cleaning this noise. As you can see now, there's still a little bit of noise, but not as bad. I'm going to do the same thing here, even though there's no noise from this side. So basically, I'm putting my fingers underneath this belt of this side. So I'm kind of cleaning the roller and the back of this treadmill. Get rid of the whatever stuff is on there. The belts are still like new. You know, it's like a new belt. So no worry about replacing that belt there. Goes to tell you, even though it's like almost 20 years, it's hardly used. 2002 to 2019, it's hardly used. seems to get rid of the noise here. So we're gonna plug in the power and we're gonna try it again to see if that got rid of the noise. Basically it's the friction over here because it's got dirty over the years. It got dirty and all the dust and stuff. So it kind of got dirty. So this is the motor that's tied to this rotor that turns the carpet or the treadmill, and it's using this belt that's turning the axle here to turn the treadmill. Okay, so what I did was I cleaned over here. I also cleaned here. And I put the cloths underneath here. Use my 2 fingers, stick into here and about this long, and I let this turn. I use my hand. You know, one hand I put it here, the other hand push it down, push it back as if the treadmill is going, is rolling. So right now, let's see if I got rid of the noise. And let's see. Start. Still got some noise here, but not as bad as before. I feel like the noise is coming from the middle there. I'm gonna get over there. The noise back here is almost the same as in the front. The noise back here is almost the same as the front. Take a listen. Don't know if it's this. Noise is not coming from this end now. It's shifted it to the middle. A little bit over here too. I'm gonna take this apart because it is making noise over here. Good, no noise at all. Okay. this screw is coming out.